After a crazy week of work, it's only fair that you spend the weekend taking care of yourself. Spend time taking care of your body, pampering yourself. You have to unwind and appreciate yourself, and that's what actually weekends are for. So start your day with your favorite music, your favorite playlist, and listen to the songs that make you really happy because that will set the tone for an entire day of happiness. We often forget that stress affects our hair the most. So start your day with oiling your hair, giving it the nourishment that it actually deserves and needs. Start with the roots and then massage it all the way down to the tips. Little things like massaging your hair and oiling it gives you time to actually pay attention to your body and its needs. Leave the oil at least for an hour and in the meantime focus on something else. Decluttering, organizing your room, and yes, reclaiming your space. Maybe you had a rough week and it was very easy for you to dump all your clothes on your favorite chair and just forget. We often don't realize the impact of a dirty surrounding on our minds. Our thoughts become more cluttered, our attitude becomes pessimistic. So, yes, as you indulge in self care, clean your room, clean your workspace, arrange things. Studies claim that a clean room and clean environment definitely boost up our productivity, our efficiency. Being able to take care of your environment and organize it gives you a sense of control. It's very efficient when you're dealing with stress or anxiety because that makes you feel that yes, you can control certain aspects of your life, certain aspects of your lifestyle, and this definitely helps you give mental peace. Personally, for me, skincare is an important part of self care. All the stress and anxiety that you go through entire week starts showing on your face. Your face may even become dull and you may start looking very low on energy. It's only best that you spend time taking care of your skin. You could go out to a salon to get a cleanup done or do it yourself at home. You could use your mom's favorite remedies or buy some skincare products. Investing in a skincare regime is definitely something that pays in a longer run. For me, putting on a face mask, taking care of my skin is a part of self-pampering which definitely makes me feel a lot more happy. For me, weekends are incomplete if I don't watch my favorite TV show or movie. So while your face mask dries, just watch your favorite TV show and relax. Be it a weekend or a weekday, don't forget to drink water. Staying hydrated is very important. My favorite part about the weekend are long showers. They are so refreshing and so relaxing. Very recently, I started paying attention to my hair. The dryness and the frizziness is now definitely controlled a lot better with the serum. Post-shower skincare is definitely an important thing. Using a toner, a moisturizer helps your skin feel better, breathe better. Using a good moisturizer that complements your skin can go a long way in making your skin feel good and healthy. Being a lipstick lover means taking special care of your lips, making sure they are not dry or chapped. Now that we are all dressed up and ready, it's time to move to the next best thing. Scented candles have become my absolute favorite. Not only do they make your room smell so good but also set the vibe right. I have recently started journaling and it has helped me declutter my thoughts, arrange them and organize them, and decide how to express them the best. A weekend dedicated to self-care is incomplete if you don't spend time doing things that you love. Read a book, paint, draw, sing. Invest time in your hobbies so that you feel good. The most awaited part of a weekend is definitely a cheat meal. Sometimes it's good to treat yourself, pamper yourself with good food. The highlight for me though is being able to go on a walk alone. Being able to feel comfortable in my own company, being in sync with my surrounding is definitely one of the best things. A perfect day needs a perfect end. Buy yourself some flowers and appreciate your existence. You need to feel happy, you need to feel special. Ever since I've started buying flowers for myself, I feel a lot more positive. I feel that I have the agency to make myself feel special. Self care is about little things: getting yourself flowers, cleaning up your room, cleaning up your study table, taking care of your skin, drinking water. All these little things make you feel more appreciated, make you feel more in charge of your surrounding and your life. So spend the day in setting your mood right, your vibe right, and to energize yourself for a hectic week that is yet to come.